Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, the host will discuss a significant regulatory update from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia that impacts market access strategy for many manufacturers. On May 3, 2026, the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, released a new guidance document, MDS-G-028, which details the requirements for medical device bundling. This guidance redefines how manufacturers can group multiple devices into a single Medical Device Marketing Authorization, or MDMA, application. For companies with extensive product portfolios, understanding these changes is critical for maintaining efficient and cost-effective market access. Historically, bundling devices into families, systems, or procedure packs has been a key strategy for reducing submission fees and administrative burden. It allows a manufacturer to obtain a single marketing authorization for a range of related products. However, the criteria for what constitutes an acceptable grouping have often varied by jurisdiction and could sometimes be ambiguous. The new SFDA guidance, MDS-G-028, aims to provide much-needed clarity and harmonization by establishing stricter, more detailed rules. This update is part of the SFDA's broader effort to align its regulatory framework with international best practices, ensuring that grouped devices are genuinely similar in terms of technology, intended use, and risk profile. The most significant changes in MDS-G-028 revolve around the specific criteria for each type of bundling. For a device family, the SFDA now requires that all devices within the group have the same intended purpose, the same risk classification, and are based on the same fundamental design and manufacturing methods. The guidance places a strong emphasis on providing a clear, scientifically sound rationale for the grouping. Vague justifications will no longer be sufficient. For systems and procedure packs, the document clarifies that all components must be intended to be used in combination to achieve a specific medical purpose. Furthermore, manufacturers must now provide more comprehensive documentation for each component within the system or pack, even if some components are not medical devices themselves. This means that a single MDMA application for a bundled product will require a more robust technical file that meticulously justifies the grouping according to these new stringent definitions. These changes affect all medical device and in vitro diagnostic manufacturers intending to place products on the Saudi Arabian market. The impact will be most acute for companies with large, diverse product lines, such as those producing orthopedic implants with various sizes, dental materials, or diagnostic assay kits. Products that were previously grouped under a single MDMA might no longer qualify under the stricter criteria of MDS-G-028. This could necessitate splitting a single plan submission into multiple separate applications, leading to a substantial increase in both regulatory fees and the internal resources required for dossier preparation. The guidance applies to all new MDMA applications submitted to the SFDA on or after May 3, 2026. For existing MDMAs, these new bundling rules will likely be applied during renewal or when significant change notifications are submitted, requiring manufacturers to reassess their legacy product groupings. In light of these developments, we recommend that regulatory quality and market access teams take several practical actions. First, conduct a comprehensive review of your entire product portfolio for the Saudi market. Assess all existing and planned product groupings against the new criteria outlined in MDS-G-028. Identify which product families, systems, or procedure packs are at risk of non-compliance. Second, perform a gap analysis of your technical documentation. You must ensure you have a robust, well-documented rationale to support every proposed grouping. This may involve generating new data or rewriting sections of your technical file to explicitly address the SFDA's new requirements. Third, it is crucial to reevaluate your regulatory submission budgets and timelines for Saudi Arabia. The potential need for additional, separate applications could significantly alter your financial planning and product launch schedules. Proactive planning can help mitigate unexpected delays and costs. Finally, engage with your local Saudi Arabian authorized representative to ensure your interpretation of the guidance is accurate and your submission strategy is sound. Adapting to these updated bundling requirements is essential for successful market entry and maintenance in Saudi Arabia. If you need help navigating the complexities of global market access in Saudi Arabia or elsewhere, please check out Pure Global. You can also find links to our free AI tools and regulatory database in the show description. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.